Hey YouTube, congratulations and welcome to Credit Viral. Stimulus checks finally arrived and I have received mine as well as probably everyone in United States. But if you haven't received it, then please watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you what you need to do in order to get your check as soon as possible. And of course, Happy New Year and welcome to 2021. So as you can see right here, my stimulus money arrived. I checked it around 5 in the morning and I was shocked and happy to see that the money finally arrived into the account and most of the Americans already received it. And right here, for some reason it's showing January 4th, and I believe the reason it's showing January 4th is that this is a holiday, and of course they cannot actually post it on a holiday date, but they had to because they had no time to do that. So actually they have very less time to do that, so that's why they processed it early. So now it's going to be processed officially on 4th, but I already got the money. And remember that this is an amazing gift for a lot of you out there because we actually lost hope that we were not going to get anything, but right here we actually got $1,200. so it's actually a joint filer. It's for me and my partner. And remember that if you haven't received the check yet or money yet, then what you need to do, so let me just tell you that don't worry about it. You at least have few more days because they said that it's gonna take at least a week for all Americans to receive this stimulus money. So don't worry about it and you will get it as soon as possible. Just keep checking on your account, or if you have notification on your account, then you can get the money as soon as possible. This is one thing that I need to show you guys. And again, Happy New Year, and I will see you in more videos. So remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please check the video's description. You will find a lot of great links and opportunities there, so don't forget to go there and check the video's description. Please give this video a thumbs up, it helps the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.